Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix balance transfers with Citibank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by gathering all relevant information regarding your balance transfer. Log into your Citibank account using your credentials. Navigate to the credit card section on the main dashboard. Locate the option for balance transfers within the menu. Click on the balance transfer link to begin the process. Fill in the required fields with the details of the credit card you wish to transfer from. Enter the transfer amount you would like to move. Review the transfer terms, including any fees and interest rates. Make sure to select the appropriate payment due date for the transferred balance. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Confirm the balance transfer request by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Keep track of your balance transfer status by checking back in your account. Wait for the transfer to complete, which can take up to several days. Monitor your old credit card account to ensure the balance is cleared. If any issues arise, reach out to Citibank customer service for assistance. Stay informed about your new balance and payment due dates on the transferred card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.